Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy my content, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.
Photoshop 0.63 was created by Thomas and John Knoll. Photoshop 1.0 was released for Macintosh computers. It was the first commercial release of the software. Adobe releases Photoshop 2.0, adding support for paths and layers. Photoshop 3.0 added support for CMYK color separations and the ability to edit 16-bit images. Photoshop 5.0 added support for vector shapes, editable text layers, and a new color management system. Photoshop 6.0 introduced the liquify filter and layer styles, among other features. Photoshop 7.0 added the healing brush and the ability to work with camera raw files. Photoshop CS Creative Suite was released, introducing a new user interface and the ability to work with multiple documents at once. Photoshop CS3 introduced the clone source panel and the quick selection tool. Photoshop CS4 added content-aware scaling and the ability to work with 3D objects. Photoshop CS5 introduced the content-aware fill tool and the ability to work with HDR images. Photoshop CS6 added the content-aware move tool and the ability to edit video. 2013. Adobe moved to a subscription model with the release of Photoshop CC Creative Cloud, which provided users with regular updates and access to additional features. Photoshop CC 2015 introduced artboards and the ability to use Adobe stock directly within the application. Photoshop CC 2019 introduced several new features, including the ability to undo multiple steps at once and a new frame tool for creating shapes and masks. Photoshop CC 2020 introduced the object selection tool and the ability to add cloud documents to Photoshop. Photoshop CC 2021 introduced several new features, including neural filters, sky replacement, and the ability to remove backgrounds with one click. Photoshop CC 2022 introduced additional features, like live shapes and the ability to share cloud documents with a link. Today, Photoshop remains one of the most popular image editing programs, used by professionals and amateurs alike.